We are Thermo Fisher Scientific. Unity Lab Services is a Thermo Fisher Scientific brand representing service customer support. In Europe, 260 employees, including more than 200 service technicians, are available to answer our customers' questions about our instruments even after the sale. The experienced professionals in our Unity Lab Service install, qualify, maintain, and repair our laboratory instruments. Our passion is satisfying our customers. Our success speaks for itself, as surveys show the highest customer satisfaction with our services. In our European Repair Center, we can provide for the entire product portfolio. A modern warehouse with around 30,000 spare parts supports our fast and effective service. On request, our service technicians are available to our customers 24 hours a day. We are looking forward to working with you. Unity Lab Services. Thermo Fisher Scientific. The world leader in serving science.